Explore the depths of hair luminance and discover the keys to unlocking your hair's full potential. With each secret revealed, you'll inch closer to the lush, vibrant hair you've always dreamed of. Let Hair Luminance be your guide on the path to hair transformation. With Hair Luminance as your companion, your hair will become a testament to your inner strength and beauty. Let Hair Luminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of Hair Luminance and let your hair become a symbol of your newfound confidence. Experience the transformation firsthand and let Hair Luminance unlock the potential within your hair. With each revelation, feel yourself drawing closer to the hair of your dreams and let Hair Luminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey. Trust in the process and let your hair become a testament to the power of belief. Unleash the potential within and let Hair Luminance ignite a spark of confidence within you.